Okay, this is Karen Rands, and you're on the road for another video tip of the day. I met with an entrepreneur yesterday, and all he could talk about was how long he had been working on this project and how he wasn't able to find any investors and nobody understood it, and the biggest problem, this thing was going to save lives and all this stuff, and the investors just didn't get it, and he can't find investors that would just get what it is that he's doing. They all think it's something that it's not. They think it's something else, and he has to, and he can't even get through explaining to them what it really is, because they've got a preconceived notion of what it is when he just first starts to talk about it. So I said to him, okay, think about it this way. If you were talking to a potential customer and they didn't get it, and you knew they had a need for this, that it was the one thing that was going to solve their problem, and they didn't get it, would you say they were just stupid? Or would you say to yourself, oh, I must not be explaining it properly. I must not be messaging it. I must not be describing what it is that I'm doing in a manner that they can understand so they can see why it solves all their problems. Well, okay, investors are the same way. If you are talking to investors and you're getting a blank stare, or you're getting a look like, or they're kind of going, whatever, they're just being polite, or they say something, don't get mad at them, get mad at yourself. Because the only reason why that's happening is because you haven't figured out how to explain it to them so that they understand it. And, you can practice. You don't have to waste time with valuable investor contact figuring this out. Start going around to people. That's where your elevator pitch comes in. Go around to people and start saying, this is what I do. What do you think? Or say whatever it is. I'm in the business of blah. And they go, oh. And you ask them, well, what do you think I said? And you just keep doing it, figure it out. Go talk to somebody non-technical, explain it to them, and let them. That's what I do. I turned around and I had him explain what it was that he was doing, and in 10 minutes, I turned around and gave him a statement that he was like, oh, that's completely it. This guy's been working 10 years trying to figure out how to get this product to market. And, he couldn't, and it took me 10 minutes to tell him what he needed to say in order for him to avoid the misconception that he's been getting for 10 years. So, he's a brilliant man, and sometimes entrepreneurs are so brilliant they can't get out of their own way. You need to go talk to some people that maybe aren't so brilliant in your field of specialty and let them help you put it into, real people terms. And that's my video tip of the day.